Hello guys, I'm Aditya Sharma, currently pursuing law from Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology and working as an intern under A&S Jurisprudential Limited. So guys, today I'm going to discuss about the topic what is legal aid, how you can avail it. So let us start with what is legal services. Legal services includes providing free legal aids to those weaker section of the society who fall within the purview of Section 12 of Legal Authority Act 1987. The literal legal service means providing help, assistance, or free service in the field of law. Proper definition of legal service is provided under the Section 21C of Legal Service Act 1987. So now we will discuss who is entitled to free legal services. The section of the society as enlisted under Section 12 of the Legal Service Authority Act are entitled of free legal services. They are a member of a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, a victim of trafficking in human beings or beggar as referred to in Article 23 of the Constitution, or a woman or a child, a mentally ill or otherwise disabled person, a person under circumstances of unreserved want such as being a victim of a mass disaster, ethnic violence, caste atrocity, flood, drought, earthquake, or industrial disaster, or an industrial workman. So these are some person who are entitled of free legal services, and there are many more. So the next question is: a woman, irrespective of her income, financial status, eligible for free legal aid? Yes, a woman is entitled for free legal aid irrespective of her income or financial status. A woman is eligible to apply for free legal aid by virtue of Section 12C of Legal Service Authority Act 1987.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
So now the question arises: till what age can a child apply for legal aid? A child is eligible for legal aid till the age of majority, that is 18 years. This is effectuated by Section 12C of Legal Service Authority Act 1987. So our next topic is: are senior citizens are eligible for legal aid? Yes, senior citizens' eligibility for free legal aids depends on the rule framed by the respective state government in this regard. In Delhi, for example, senior citizens are eligible for free legal aid subject to prescribed ceiling of annual income. Any individual above the age of 60 can apply for the free legal aid services. So now you all must be asking that what it is include in free legal services, aid provided by the legal services authorities, what it is the nature of the free legal services. I'm coming to that. Free legal aid is the provisions of free legal services in civil and criminal matters for those poor and marginalized people who cannot afford the service of a lawyer for the conduct of the case or a legal proceedings in any court, tribunal, or authority. These services are governed by the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 and headed by the National Legal Service Authority, NALSA. All must be asking that how you can apply for the free legal aid. You can apply for the free legal aid either offline or online. You can fill up the ready-made application form that is available at your nearest legal service authority and submit the same at either the authority physically or post the application to the authority. You can even make an application in writing on a simple piece of paper with the necessary details such as your name, gender, residential address, employment status, nationality, whether SC or ST, with proof in support, income per month, the case for which legal aid is required, reason for seeking legal aid, etc., and submit it physically or send by a post. So our last topic is: do you have to pay any charges, fee for acquiring and submitting any application form for free legal aid? No, there is absolutely no charge for getting an application form for free legal aid. You are not required to spend any money for both getting and submission of the application. For obtaining legal advice, you can call or visit any office of the concerned legal service authority.